What's up, guys? Drone worship in your face. Another beautiful day here in Tampa, Florida, and hopefully I'm going to get to fly tonight. But I got a review to do here. Somebody sent me something. This comes to you courtesy of RC Moment. This is the Parrot Jett, or known as the Sumo, or a couple other names, the jumping drone, whatever you want to call it. This is the Jett. This came to me from RC Moment. They sent it to me in a box. They wanted me to review this. I explained to them it's about 3 years old now, so I'm not sure how well this review is going to go because it's been out for a while, but I'm down for reviewing it. They sent it to me, so let's do this. So this runs on 2.4 gigahertz compatible devices. Let's see, it says it has a 20 minute use, charge in 25 minutes. So apparently it charges in 25 minutes, and I will be astonished if it gets a 20-minute use time. This is a fully charged battery in here. It is proprietary. It does slide right out the bottom there. I did have to do an update, so this has just had the new update firmware. This does work on your cell phone, and I have not really had a chance to play with it too much. Played with it for like 30 seconds before work, so we're going to learn a lot about this thing today and how it operates, and I'm sure my dog, Bentley, is going to love this thing. Yeah, right. The camera on this is about 640 by 480, so it's not really the best camera resolution, but it is very cool. There's like a gigantic servo in here that sucks in the spring-loaded arm, and then it pivots itself backwards and it blasts off. And I mean, this thing jumps like 2 feet, 3 feet. This thing gets super high. So, I mean, like incredibly high. Like I said, proprietary battery, plug it in the back. And if you want to go through narrow spaces, I found this is really cool. Just give a push and you can compactize it. You can make it nice and small. I did find out these motors are very powerful. I thought they were going to be weak. They're not very weak. These are not plastic. These are foam tires. And they are very purchasable. One screw, they come out. You can place the tires if you need to, depending on where you drive this. I will be testing this outside and inside. For now, we're just going to leave it wide base. That is very cool that you can do that. And from what I understand, no matter what this thing does, whether it flips upside down or upside right or over like this or over like that, it'll automatically stabilize itself. And there's different mode settings. You can get it to like sit here and like balance itself and stare at the ground. Like there's a ton of stuff this thing can do. I am a big fan of Parrot products, as you guys know. I do have a number myself, Parrot Bebop. I have 2 Parrot Bebops. I've got some other, the Spider, the whatever this thing, the hydrofoil. I do have some Parrot products. So I love everything that they come out with so far. So I'm assuming this is going to be a blast. It's going to be a lot of technology for a very decent price. So once again, this comes to you courtesy of RC Moment. We're going to go ahead and boot up the app. I will show you guys what app I am currently using here on the left side of the screen. I'll show you a screenshot right there. And let's get this thing out and play with it. As soon as you get this, you're probably going to have to do an update from the app. But the other thing that irritated me, I'm just going to throw this out there right now, is I can't use the fly pad with this. I would really love to see a fly pad patch for this. It would be really nice to be able to use the fly pad with this instead of the on-screen controls, because so far, it looks like the only thing that's offered is on-screen controls. And this being part of the mini drone series, which is what the flypad was really created for, I would have loved to have seen this be able to connect to the flypad instead of just your phone, because having a controller, I think, would have made this a 10 times better experience, but it is what it is. So, let's take the Parrot Jett and go have some fun. See you guys in a sec. Alrighty guys, this is the Parrot mini drone here. This is the Jett, or Jett, whatever you want to call this thing. It runs on a... let's see here, 3.7 volt, 550 milliamp. And they say this thing gets 20-minute runtime. I didn't quite have a chance to fully charge this, but it should be good enough to play with a little bit here and see how we do. I'll kind of pay attention to the battery power as we go here. So we'll get this up in there if I can. Come on, you. Just gonna go. There we go. Should have power here in a sec. There we go. We got power. I'm gonna set this down. Stare at us. So while this is booting up and doing things, I want to tell you some cool features that it has. So it gives you the ability to walkie-talkie, but in a sense where if you had earphones plugged into your phone and you were powered up to this, you could actually hear and be able to communicate, talk through the drone to other people. So that's very cool. I'm not sure what the range is, but we are going to see if we can extend this because it's Wi-Fi based, just like the Parrot Bebop and all the other stuff. I'm going to start on the top of the table here. Let's go ahead and see if we can connect to the internet. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's doing things. Okay. All right. Let's get you set back up there. Oh, it detects when you touch it too. That's cool. It goes red, I think, when you pick it up. Oh yeah, so it knows when it's being touched. That's interesting. Lots of technology in this little thing here. I'm guessing that's based on gyros. Let's go to Wi-Fi. We'll go to the Jett or the Jeet, whatever you want to call this thing. Connecting, says connected. And another thing that you can't really do is record unless you have what's called a USB key, micro USB key or mini USB key. And most cell phones today give you the ability to screen record. So I'm going to go ahead and use Mobizen for my screen recording. So let's pull this up. I should have FPV here in a sec. If I do, I'll go ahead and start the, give it 1 sec here. There you go, it pulled up nice and quick here. Alright, so what I'm going to do, let's go ahead and start my screen recording now. Wait for the countdown, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to hit start. You should see me in all my wonderful, beautiful gloriness wearing my GoPro. Hey, what's up, y'all? What's happening? Alright, so let's get this thing set up. I think from this point it's pretty easy. I know that you can take pictures, you just can't record video unless you have the USB key. It says I have 82% battery, which isn't too bad. So let's try some stuff here. I think the first thing I'm going to do is a 360 swing, which is pull down and it shoots straight around. Now watch the leveling. Watch how fast it levels itself. It knows when to stop and immediately do a turn. That is just complete awesomeness. See, if I even touch it at all, it knows it's being touched. Let's launch this off the table and see how cool this looks. You ready? Whoa, holy mackerel. Oh my god. Alright, let's take this thing for a cruise. Let's go see if we can find my dog here. Let's take this down to the end. Oh, it's fast. Snap it around the corner there. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is very quick. FPV actually looks really good. Snap it through the doorway there. Oh, little lag, little lag. Let's see if it catches up with itself. There we go, it did. Let's take it down to the end here. Not quite. There we go. Man, this thing is quick. Alright, there's the table. Alright, now we launched off the table. Do you think we can launch on the table? Let's see. Let's get it lined up on the corner here. Alright. Let's see if we can launch on the table. So I'm going to push the launch button. Let's see, I'm going to step back so you guys can get a good clear picture of this. Let's see what it does here. Oops, that was the wrong one. That was the quick lunge. Let's try that again here. Alright, let's put it about right there. Is that too far? I'll move back just a little bit. Alright, I think that's about where we were. Let's try this again. No quick lunge this time. We're going to do the high jump. Oh, easy. Easy as pie. Right back on the table. This thing is crazy. Crazy. Quick flip around. Quick flip around. Look at that. You can do a reverse look real fast. Tap, reverse look. Tap, reverse look. This thing is awesome. Quick flip around. Right off the end of the table. Look at it. Auto rights itself and everything. This thing is just awesome. Let's go see if we can find my dog. There he is. Where you off to, bro? You coming to say hi? You coming to check out the drone? What do you think? Huh? What do you think? What do you think, Bentley? Did you want to drive? You want to give it a go? Huh? Go say hi to it. Look, go say hi. Go say hi. You gonna go see it? No? Okay. Here, I'll bring it over a little bit closer. Go say hi. It says I still have 72% battery. I would say this battery life is actually fairly exceptional. Give it up for Parrot products, man. They really know how to design some stuff. Oops, an accident. Close the app here. Let's reopen that. My apologies. Let's go ahead and go this way. Then we'll jump right off the end, because we can't be afraid to do these kinds of things, can we? What's it stuck on here? Stuck on something? What are you stuck on? Oh, I see. It can't drag. It's the carpet. Apparently, it couldn't drag on. Let's try that again. Yeah, it can't drag its little rubber thing on the carpet. Well, that's good to know. So be aware, guys. You can't pull it off the carpet. Woo! This thing is skiddy. Let's come in hot. It really gets going. But once again, we can't drive on the carpet, so move it back here. Let's see if we can jump over this. About right there. Pew! No problem. That's like a 3-foot vert, man. That's insanity. Well, I could tell if you got good with these controls, man, you could really have some fun. What do you think, Bentley? What do you think? You gonna come say hi? Well, go see it. Go see it. Go say hi. What do you think? I sneak up on you. I'm gonna sneak up on you. Oh, seems to be stuck. That's all right. We can long jump it. Woo! I don't know where it went. Okay, I gotta drive here. You gotta stay over there while I drive. Don't be afraid of it. Oh, jeez. I can't. If you're doing that, buddy, I can't see. I can't see. I love you too, but I gotta be able to play with this thing. I gotta play. I gotta play with it, dude. All right, okay, lay down. I don't want you right now. I need to do this review. Say, everybody, look. I'm holding up Dan's review because I'm scared of it. Okay. So what do you guys think, man? This thing's awesome. It's definitely very cool. I got to give it to them, man. This is a very interesting product that they've created here. It doesn't have very much range, but I do think I could hook a Wi-Fi repeater up to it through a power bank the same way I do the other ones and extend the living heck out of the range of this thing to, like, you know, 300 millibits or something like that. So I like it, man. I think it's a lot of fun. I'm actually I was gonna give this one away, but I think I'm gonna keep it, man. This thing could definitely be a lot of fun to have around, especially if I can extend the range. I mean, it's quite killer with its capabilities of bouncing. I've never seen anything like it before. It has this amazing bounce mechanism, you know, that just, I mean, the vert on this thing is crazy. So I've never seen anything like it. Battery life is actually pretty exceptional, even though I had only like 80% when I started, a little under 80%, maybe a little above. I don't really remember. This thing is still a lot of fun, man. So give it up to RC Moment for starting to carry some Parrot products, man. That's pretty crazy. I will put the purchase link below for this. Like I said, if you guys are thinking about checking it out, that's just part of the settings. Unfortunately, I can't dabble with a lot of the other stuff because, number one, this thing doesn't have an earphone port, so I can't actually plug in earphones to this to test out the talking and the volume and all that fun stuff that it can do. But definitely so far from what I've seen, man, this is a very snappy, very fun, very well quality built. Even though it's very light, it feels like it's decently well built. So A plus, man. I give Parrot products most of the time a good A plus because their performance is just unmatched, man. They just do such a very good job with all their toys and their mini drones and everything else. So anyways, guys, this is the Parrot G. Purchase link will be in the description below. This comes to you courtesy of RC Moment. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I definitely had some fun chasing my dog around. My dog had some fun chasing it around later on. So, good times. All right, guys, Drone Worship, I'm out. Toodaloo.